1961, Sugiyama Tatsumaru. He visited to India. He visited many times to India, but one year when there was a rain in this area, more than 5 million people they died. And then Sugiyama he realized and he remembered the word of his grandfather. You have to save your people of Asia. He was running the same institute, but he received a call also from our first Prime Minister, Nehru, Pandit Nehru, and that call changed his life. He arrived to visit India again as he seen the condition of the people completely turning into the desert. The people they were dying because they were not getting a complete diet because of they're not getting the drinking water. Then he decided to do something. He searched a place where is a water in this area because there was completely desert. And finally one day he seen some animals, they are sitting together at one place in a shadow. Then he realized, oh, here definitely there is something in the ground. Then he dug the clay and finally he got some wet clay there. And he understood that there is water inside, but very deeply. How can get up, pump up the water? Then, because he was running already an institute and he already the knowledge, the eucalyptus plant are able to pump up the water from the low level to high level. And second reason, the eucalyptus trees is the main trees which can grow early than other tree in a very warm atmosphere also. Then he started to plant eucalyptus tree. He advised to the local people, but in the beginning the local people, the villagers, they were not interesting. They were thinking, oh, he's a crazy man, what he is doing in the desert. If the desert will not get water, how will the tree will grow up? But in the beginning he used his drinking water for the eucalyptus plant. And slowly the people understood that. They thought, look, that man, he's from Japan. He spent 14 billion yen in 1961 for the plantation of the eucalyptus tree. Then the local people, they understand, look, he's from Japan and he is doing so many effort for our country. Why we are in the back of him? We must go with him, shoulder to shoulder. And so many people came with him, and finally so many plant of the eucalyptus tree they planted on National Highway 1, NH1. Before, the name of NH1 was Sher Shah Suri Highway, but now it is NH1. And 470 kilometers he planted the eucalyptus tree. And finally the eucalyptus tree, the characteristic of the eucalyptus tree, that they pump up the water. And finally one day there were thousands of trees of the eucalyptus. Finally the shadow of the trees, the local people they get here. Then after that Mr. Sugiyama, he thought, okay, now we have the shadow, we have the trees, but from where we will get the drinking water, crops? Then he started some agriculture technique also, and slowly they got some crops which was able to eat. I mean, some wheat, some rice. And after that he recognized that some part of this state, I mean the Punjab state, some part of the Rajasthan state, and some part of the Jammu state, these all are below from the Himalaya mountain. And during the monsoon, the water of the Himalaya mountain comes down in a Shivalik range in these three states, and the water goes in the sand. So it means the water was coming in the desert, but it's going very deeply. So he thought, we have to plant more trees in a Shivalik range. Then he planted some teak trees in a Shivalik range, because the teak trees also, the root of the teak trees, it's a characteristic of the teak trees. The roots of the teak trees goes very deeply, and the root they caught mud very strongly. So they can able, I mean the trees can able to store the water. I mean, the clay will be wet always with the teak tree. And finally, one day it was completely green. So the green father, Mr. Sugiyama Tatsumaru, finally he converted desert to trees or the green leaf. That's why he's a green father of India. You can see some remain trees of the eucalyptus here. It was in 470 kilometer, but because before NH1 it was only 10 feet. But because government need, because of the traffic and because of the so many vehicles, they need a straight road. Then they cutted the trees along with the NH1, and they make a huge road now more than 100 feet. So now we can see only some remain trees of the eucalyptus. You can see there is a one complete plantation, and you can, if you can make a zoom there, there is another plantation of the eucalyptus trees, and little bit far away again there, and behind you also there. So there are all the eucalyptus trees, and we'll see some more teak trees if possibility there. Okay, thank you. Okay, as I told you, Mr. Sugiyama, he has done in 470 kilometer all the plantations. So still we are driving on National Highway 1. You can see the continuous rows of the eucalyptus trees. In the back side, if you can make a zoom up by the camera, you can see also all the trees of the eucalyptus plant. And then again, you can see to this side, all the eucalyptus trees are here. As I told you, it's a huge plantation it was by Mr. Sugiyama Tatsumaru. You can walk here. We are on the bridge of National Highway 1. We can see both sides of the trees. You can imagine, before that street was only 10 feet straight, and surrounding both sides of that street there was thousands of trees of the eucalyptus, but as they spread this street, they cutted the trees. So now some remains trees only are here. Nowadays people, they are using these all the landscape for agriculture. You can see the cow dung there. People use the cow dung as a fuel. I think we can visit this place, or either we can enter in this, on this street, inside where we will see the blaze. I think there is another blaze, and at this side another blaze. So we are going to see the blaze, and I can see that down there you can see the irrigation is technique, how they give water to the plants. They make rows to rows. You can see there like a carry, different. You can make a zoom there. So let's go down and we'll see how they are doing that, all the activities in the village. Okay. We were going to Amritsar, and once again we stopped at one place, and the name of this place is Kurukshetra. Kurukshetra is a very important place in Hindu mythology. God Krishna, he gave a lecture for the pupil about the Bhagavad Gita. Did you listen that name, Bhagavad Gita? This is very holy book of the Hindus. It's all about the karma, about the duties of the society. And the God Krishna, he gave this lecture to Arjun. Arjun was a king here. And so this is the place where Krishna, he gave the lecture, and that lecture now in a holy book, Bhagavad Gita. So that's why this place is very important. Another reason, you can see both sides. You can see the both side of the street. Again, the eucalyptus trees. Still we are running on the National Highway 1 and continue. We are getting the eucalyptus tree which is done by Mr. Sugiyama Tatsumaru. So it's a great effort, great help by him to the Indian people. Another important thing you can see on the trucks there. Can you see on the trucks? Some container there. Those all container because, okay, this is state Haryana and Punjab. These two states very rich in agriculture and also with the cattle. The milk product is very usually they made here. So these all the container. The biggest big companies, they collect the milk from place to place in those containers and then bring to the factory, and they make different products of the milk like buttermilk and different things, cheese. Okay, it's about that. Ahead I will explain it a little more when I will get some interesting. Thank you. Finally we entered in a place, and the name of this place is Mahmudpur. And just I talked with the old person, you can see, and I asked how many people are living in this place, and according to him only 50 or 60 houses are in this village. And we'll see some of the local activities in this place, and we have some local boys who will show us the local activities of the place. आपका नाम क्या है भैया? Robin Kumar. He is Mr. Robin Kumar, who will show us this village. आपको ये पता है इतने सारे ये सफ़ेदे के पेड़ क्यों यहाँ पे लगे हुए हैं? ये मैं हम पूरे रास्ते देख के आ रहा हूँ ये सफ़ेदे के पेड़।
ये सर वैसे तो नेचुरली वातावरण को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि ये सबको ही पता है जितने हम दरख्त लगाएंगे उतनी ज़्यादा वातावरण में साफ रख पाएंगे। और वैसे भी जिनकी ज़मीन है ये, उन्होंने अपने थोड़ा उनको पैसा बचाने के लिए उन्होंने दरख्त लगा रखे हैं, जिससे उनको 2-3 साल में ये दरख्त तैयार हो जाते हैं। उसके बाद सब फर्नीचर वगैरह की हो जाती है। अच्छा, इसकी लकड़ी बेच।
दादा आपकी उम्र कितनी होगी?
हमारी उम्र है जी 75 साल।
75 साल है, यानी 2018 मतलब 1961 के पहले का आपका जन्म है ना?
हाँ,
जब से आपने होश संभाला है, मतलब आपको याद है, उससे तब से आप ये पेड़ देख रहे होंगे सफ़ेदे के?
इतने ना ज़्यादा नहीं थे।
ज़्यादा नहीं थे
ना, 74 कोई था।
अच्छा,
फिर लैंड में लगे
रोड के किनारे
हाँ, रोड के किनारे थे
ना। क्योंकि मैं आपको बताऊं ना, ये जो सफ़ेदे के पेड़ लगे हुए ना, 1961 में एक जापान का एक आदमी आया था, उसने अपनी प्रॉपर्टी बेच के जापान की, यहाँ पर उस समय पर पूरा रेगिस्तान हुआ करता था, उसने ये सफ़ेदे के पेड़ लगवाए थे।
आपके टाइम पर रेगिस्तान हुआ करता था?
आपने देखा बहुत थोड़ा बहुत रेत वगैरह कुछ?
रेता यहाँ बहुत रेता, ये पानी आता था ना, गाँव यहाँ सारा खेत हो जाता था।
ये वही उन्हीं के रिलेटिव हैं, रिश्तेदार हैं, जो ये देखने आए हैं, जिसका यूट्यूब पे वीडियो भी डला है, जिसने ये पूरे प्लांटेशन करवाया हुआ था, समझ लो। I was talking with the old man. First I asked how old are you, so he's saying 75 years old. So I asked, did you remember little bit before there were some plant of the eucalyptus? But he replied to me, no, in this area no. Then I asked on the street, I mean along with the NH1, he's saying yes, there were. Then I said, did you listen about somebody, any man came from Japan or some? Then he told no, not very much, but some old people they told many years ago. There was a man and some people, some villagers who was with them. Those were doing this, but he never listened deeply about him. I asked to this old man so about the Sugiyama Tatsumaru, and he will show us the blaze. So let's see ahead about the activities of the blaze. चलिए आप
चलो मैं भी गई तो
जैसा गाड़ी पर सुखना तो रुको आप
गाड़ी यहाँ लियो
मैं आपको बताऊंगा यूट्यूब पे वो लिंक आप उसको वीडियो पे देखना आज का आज वो खर्च किया था ना उसने आज का लगभग 1,40,00,000 रुपये पूरी प्रॉपर्टी प्लांटेशन करवाया था केवल यहाँ के लोगों के लिए मतलब नेशनल हाईवे 1 टाइम 470 किलोमीटर मतलब फूल गोभी तोड़ा हो दादा फूल गोभी तो घर के लिए या
सब्जी बनाने
हाँ सब्जी बनाने के लिए या बेचते हो
ना ना अपने पास
ऐसे ही
2-4 बूटे न्याणे ने लाए हो
So it's a small farm of the vegetable. You can see the cauliflower. हाँ? क्या बोल रहे थे?
कुछ नहीं है तो वैसे ही
कुछ
फोटो
नहीं, ऐसे
को मरे
घूमने के लिए।
गोभी तोड़ रहे
बस वही तो उनको देखना है, उसी में उनको मजा आता है। जापानीज हैं,
अच्छा
दूसरे देश से आए तो उनको यही सब चीजें देखना है।
ठीक है भाई
You see the plant of onion there.
लहसुन गठा
अंग्रेजी बोला यार हम तो
ये अंग्रेजी है ना ये समझा रहे हैं
Onion, ginger, coriander.
देख रहे हैं ना
ना कर दो 1 2 3 4
ठीक है आप काम करो, वो तो शूट कर रहा है, आप तो काटो। Look how he's doing.
पीछे वर्कर लग रही थी आने वाला
हाँ
पीछे वर्कर लग रही थी आने वाला
ना तो बाटी का पास से न हो मैं उठा ले जूंगा
ले जियो
ये पीछे में इधर क्या लगा हुआ है?
लहसुन
तो कुआड़ जम रहा है ऐसे
लहसुन,
पानी के उसमें
लहसुन है जी और बरसीना पर
उधर वो परे नु करके उतार लो ये तारना कुछ है
बाहर रहन दे
Garlic, onion.
अरे तो पैसे बन जाएंगे इसके
नहीं मैं तो घूम नेपाल हम लोग निकल रहे थे इधर से तो मैं चलो कोई गांव से मैं जापान से वो ट्रैक्टर वाले भैया मिल गए, बोले आप इस गांव में चले जाओ।
How do we get down to be there?
नीचे हो you can go down from
पालक है भाई
ये जो देह काट के
क्या
पालक है पालक
ये तो पता है ये
अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको
स्पिनच दिस इज
देख
कोरिएंडर
तो पड़े हुए आ जाने से पड़े हुए पड़े हुए मैं भी थानू गिनती नहीं सुनाई अंग्रेजी
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल सुनाई they use only in the houses, they don't sell in a village, it's only for the use for the family.
इसकी तो जल्दी बन जाएगी ये तो फोटो में वहां दे जाएंगे
इसको पत्ते से करेंगे
को 10 किलो बांट दे बस
Okay. बाबा जरा इनको ये कॉलीफ्लावर पत्ते में जो फूल गोभी आपने काटा ना
सकते हैं गाँव में
ले ले
it's a fresh one. One more.
वो नहीं लेंदा
दिखा रहे हैं वो केवल
वो दाती मार के आंख फोड़ेगा
की मारने
क्या भी बात है।
हो जाए जो भी वीडियो बन जाएगी।
नहीं दाती जिसे बच गया
तो पत्ते से तोड़ दे।
Look, it's fresh coriander. What a nice smell. You can smell.
ये हरियाणा नहीं है पंजाब है यो
This is the spinach. Spinach leaves, we make this with potato. There is these all of garlic. There is onion,
इधर
rose
निकले
plant,
इधर ऐसे निकले
onion.
यहाँ पैर
These
धर
are
के
all
इधर
the
निकले
garlic. If you want to go ahead, you can go.
इनकी पाई के भाषा समझ रही
Look, here, onion. Because look, the onion there. This is the onion. They plugged it, and the onion they use in vegetable. And this leaves, the leaves of the onion, be used for the sauce. This leaves and tomato and green chili and the salt. We mix it on the stone stone grinder. Then we eat with the paratha or chapati. I like very much this one especially. Some mustard seeds are there, yellow flowers. Okay, we'll see ahead also possibility to see more activities of the place. Please.
खाना है भाई ये पालक
मैं से कमान जाऊंगा। इस तरह की जब वो समुद्र में हुआ
नहीं, वो सिंगाड़े की भी करते ना
ना वो
बाद
नहीं
में।
है। वो नहीं है।
तो ये खाद तैयार हो रहा है नेचुरल,
यस यस
है ना? ओके, इसको बाद
इनके गाल पे अंग्रेजी वाला बोलने वाला होना चाहिए
तो है अंग्रेजी।
ना यो भाई यो लेना मैं पढ़या होया
As I told you, Haryana and Punjab. Here, because the image of the blades, when you come in India, it means the muddy houses, small houses, the roof are not of the concrete. But in Punjab or Haryana blazes, you will see completely different here. You will see the big houses here. This one, this one, this one. When you compare the blazes of the Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh and Arunachal Pradesh we have visited, is completely different because the land of Punjab and Haryana is differently. I mean, when we compare with Madhya Pradesh and other state, here the economic condition is very good, very rich of the people, even of the farmers. So that's why definitely they can build huge houses. So very rare you will get the mud houses here. Let's see ahead. Small shop of the blaze. All the cow dung. ये क्या बना के रखे हुए हैं सीमेंट के?
ये कोई मथा देखने के लिए होता है जो वहाँ कोई रीति रिवाज है।
अच्छा अच्छा, तो उनकी याद में है ना? You can see these small. This is your. Actually, it's a culture of each blaze on the border of the blaze, or in a beginning of the blaze, or in the end of the blaze. The old people who died before. So the family member, in the memory of them, they put it this type of things, and on the day of the death anniversary of that person, the family member, they come and they offer something, and on special occasion like Diwali or other festival, they comes and they offer here. They put the oil lamp, they offer sweet or some other things. So these are the memorial of the old people. These all the cow dung here. Okay. But I think कल पानी गिरा क्या यहाँ पे?
हाँ पानी तो
Because
गिरा
it
बाहर।
was rainy yesterday, so that's why you can see the condition of the cow dung. This is the place where they keep the cow dung together. I mean, they spread on the land when it get dry, then they collect here, and then after that they cover with the wall of the cow dung, and they will cover completely because during the raining time it will be safe by the water. So it's a protection wall, or I can say it's a place where they can store the cow dung for next, I mean the post month.
Are they using cow dung
For fuel.
fuel?
Yeah.
Can we see any?
कहीं चूल्हा जलता हुआ दिख सकता है. Let's try if we will get ahead. Right. Okay, you can see this one. They are just putting the cow dung there, and one day when it will be complete, they will cover whole like here. You can see. Inside there are so many cow dung before, and because to protect of the water during the monsoon season, and then after from one side they can get it out one by one and they use in the houses. You can see ahead one more which is covered now with the grass. It's not open. When they need, they will open from one corner and then they will get it out. The buffaloes are here, you can see inside.
सारे करा कुछ कर देंगे फिर
उनको ये उधर देखने को ही नहीं मिलता.
उधर जिधर तुम ले जाएंगे इसको
उनके देश में उनको देखने को नहीं मिलता. देखने को मिलता. More buffaloes. And look, the ladies is giving them starch and the food of the buffalo.
बैठे रहे इतनी बैठे रहे अंदर है ना
Inside more buffaloes there. दूध लगा लिया कि अभी और अभी लगाएंगे ये? दूध निकालेंगे अभी?
हाँ
हाँ जी दिन का
अभी घास खाएंगी खूब राज के फिर तो दहे आए सारे ऐसे ही 6000 में खाएंगे देखो नहीं कह रहे कि दूध कट के चाय पिला दो
नहीं ऐसा नहीं कह रहे.
नहीं चाय बनवानी बनवा दे
ये हमें पता है कि अपना भारत है, इधर पे तो ये नॉर्मल चीज है.
नहीं चाय पीनी चाय बनवा दे
मैं वही मैं कह रहा हूँ.
साइकिल चाय पीनी है ना
ये टोनी सर, डू यू वांट ब्लैक टी?
आप छोड़ जाना इसकी शादी शुदी करका जब पैसे कमा लेगा जो
आगे और भी है खेत वगैरह कुछ ऐसा?
हाँ जी
कुछ काम करते हुए खेत में लोग
नहीं इस टाइम तो नहीं सर
इस टाइम
इस टाइम काम करते हैं मिलेंगे वो वहाँ पे वो सामने बिल्डिंग
Okay. ये मतलब कोई फसल का निकलता है कि?
हाँ जी
किसका?
जीरा राइस का निकलता है
अच्छा चावल का.
हाँ जी हाँ जी
It's all starch of the rice plant. In my area, we use of the wheat plant. Because in my area, you can move. They're coming from the farm.